Stepping up to this 2019 Fleetwood Discovery LXE 44H, you're immediately looking at a true luxury diesel pusher built for serious travel. Finished in Fleetwood's Castle full-body paint, the exterior has a deep, high-gloss finish that's been preserved from day one thanks to climate-controlled indoor storage. This coach has never seen salt-treated roads, and it shows in the condition of the body, the bays, and the chassis underneath. As we step inside, the first thing you'll notice is the open, residential feel created by 4 full slide-outs and polished porcelain tile flooring throughout. Up front in the cockpit, both driver and passenger seats are 6-way power with swivel bases, allowing this space to transition seamlessly into the living area once you're parked. You've also got a full camera system, touchscreen navigation, and integrated driver assist technology, including Mobileye collision avoidance. In the kitchen, you're getting true residential functionality. A full-size Whirlpool French door refrigerator, induction cooktop, convection microwave, and even a built-in dishwasher. Solid surface countertops, a deep undermount sink, and premium cabinetry tie everything together into a space that feels more like a high-end condo than a motorhome. Heading toward the rear, the bedroom features a king memory foam mattress with an adjustable head, along with ample storage throughout. The bathroom continues that residential feel with a full tile shower, glass enclosure, skylight, and solid surface finishes throughout. Back outside, the exterior design really comes together. The full-body paint carries clean, sweeping lines down the length of the coach, accentuating the low, streamlined profile and the overall length of this 44-foot platform. The integrated Girard awnings sit flush with the roofline, giving it a sleek, uncluttered look when closed, while LED lighting adds a premium touch when set up at camp. The overall shape is purposeful and refined, built not just for looks, but for stability and efficiency on the road. You've also got an exterior entertainment center with a 48-inch television, a dedicated exterior freezer, and nearly 190 cubic feet of pass-through storage with a full-length slide tray. Every detail here is designed for extended travel and convenience. With just over 52,000 miles, one owner, full service history, and indoor storage from new, this Discovery LXE is the kind of coach that's getting harder to find. View all the photos, see the MSRP, and complete details of this stunning motorhome. Click the link in the description below.